In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shopping cart to your Wix website. We'll start by accessing our Wix account and end with a seamless, fully operational shopping cart on your site. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to the Wix homepage at www.wix.com. Look for the login button, click on it, and provide your account details. Once logged in, open the specific website to which you want to add a shopping cart. Now that you're on your site's dashboard, the next step is accessing the Wix editor. Here, you'll click on Edit Site. This takes you into the Wix editor environment where you can start adding elements to your site. To incorporate e-commerce capabilities, you'll need to add the Wix Stores feature. On the left-hand side of the Wix editor, you'll see a toolbar. Click on Plus Add, followed by Store. Or you can go via the Wix App Market and select Wix Stores. Then click Add to Site. Wix will automatically populate your site with a shopping cart icon and a new store page, paving the way to setting up your online shop. Setting up the store is the next pivotal step. Find the Store Manager section within the Wix editor. Here's where you can begin by adding your products. Simply click on Add Product and include all pertinent details. Images, titles, prices, and product descriptions. Make sure to set up your inventory, product options like sizes or colors, and categorize them appropriately. Also, under Store Settings, navigate to Shipping and Tax, where you'll configure your shipping and tax options to ensure everything checks out correctly for your customers. With your products added, it's time to personalize your shopping cart design to better fit your website's aesthetics. Click on your shopping cart icon and then head to Design, followed by Customize. This is where you can play around with the colors, fonts, and even the layout of your cart. Choose between a sidebar, pop-up, or dedicated page for the cart. Ensure that the checkout button stands out, but still resonates with your overall site design. Next, ensure you're set to receive payments. Go back to your dashboard, select Settings, and then Accept Payments. From here, choose the payment options you wish to offer. You can select from credit and debit cards, PayPal, Wix Payments, or any other compatible gateways you prefer. Finish by running a test transaction to confirm that everything functions smoothly. Finally, before launching your store, preview everything. You'll want to add items to your cart, simulate the checkout process, and ensure the calculations for taxes, shipping, and the final total are correct. Once you're satisfied with everything functioning as it should, go ahead and click Publish to make your e-commerce site live. And there you have it, your very own shopping cart on Wix, ready for customers to browse and purchase.